Hey guys, I went to Iloilo to try the products of Coffee Break Cafe. Try lang, may flight layover lang. As we all know, it's the cafe that Yobab supposedly reviewed wrongly. So I visited the cafe's branch in the airport, and here are the products that I've tried and some of my thoughts about them. And by the way, they do have a lot of products in line. They have these ready-to-eat pasta dishes. They also have breads, pastries, and of course coffee. So I ordered one of their specialty cakes. It's called Better Than Sex Cake, and their infamous creamy pasta, and one of their frap, which is a salted caramel, and just a bottled water. So I tried the creamy lasagna first, and it is what it says it is. It is creamy. Per konti lang talaga yung meat niya, as in parang halos wala. But considering its price, goods naman siya. So for me, very wrong yung sinabi ni Yobab na hindi masarap. Next ko naman tinry itong Better Than Sex na chocolate cake nila. And I would say it does not live up to its name. Pero malaman siya, and hindi ka lugi sa price niya. And if you love chocolate cakes, I'm sure you will enjoy this one. Last is the caramel frap. Masarap naman siya. Medyo too sweet lang for me, but that's okay because it's caramel flavored na nga. But I'm just really like into the strong coffee taste, but it's really good, guys, and hindi siya tinipid talaga. And although large lang yung available na size nila, tignan nyo naman yung large. Ang laki, hindi ko naubos. And here's the price. Kayo na humusga. Bye!